don't need expensive cosmetic product, just things from the kitchen. I'm using this morning. This is gunpowder, it's the green tea, the natural green tea. So I have some, so I'm going to use it, and I have already done some for my drinking. And this is lime, which and this is yogurt, natural yogurt. You see, I'm going to eat half of the yogurt. I'm going to use half for my face, and this is turmeric. So with salt and banana. That's all I want. So now I'm putting salt because this is going to give me the scrub in my face. So I remove the banana. Put this one because I have to do my face. So now I'm applying this in my face. Yeah, my face doesn't look the queen chick. So see, this is queen chick. Yeah, why? So that's my secret. So I put it in my hand because I wake up in the morning, I'm tired. What I need is to have my glow up before I have my friends coming today. So I just pass it on my face. So this badge I do, I can use it for 2 days, today and tomorrow. So, and I told you don't exfoliate your face much, but this one is special because it's just a free ingredient, and the exfoliant is the salt and the green. That's only what that exfoliates your face. So you just leave it to penetrate 20-30 minutes before I will go and take my shower. I know that it has to do the job I want it to do, to get my face back. So I need to get my face back. So check me out after I'm well shining. So look at me.